Everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about the secret to getting rich and making more money. In this video, I will be giving you the secret that everybody is looking for. And I don't want to see in the comments, money doesn't matter, money isn't everything. Yes, money is definitely not everything, but it is quite a huge factor in life. So let's get right into the video. The secret is actually formulated with 3 different things. And most people will have one of the 3 things, but not a lot of people have all 3. That's why not a lot of people are rich and not a lot of people make as much money as they want to make. So here are the 3 things. I'm going to tell you what they are, give you the secret right off the bat, then I'll explain it. But stay tuned for the whole video because I'm going to tell you exactly, the methods that I use, the factors that I used in my corner to make as much money as I could, and the factors that, many other people use as well. Here are the 3 factors. Number 1 is patience. Number 2 is focus, and number 3 is speed. You need all 3 of these things. And if you have all 3 of these things, then you will absolutely you can make $1 billion. You can be a billionaire with these 3 things. So let's get right into it. Patience is important because no matter how good your idea is, it's going to take a long time, okay? I've seen so many people on these investor TV shows and in real life, people trying to get investments from me and from other people that they want like, I want $1 million, and I'm going to give you 20% of my company. You think it's that easy to get $1 million just because you have a great idea? Just because you've executed for a year? Good luck, buddy. It's not that easy, okay? You need patience. If you want to get rich, to be honest with you, we're looking at least a 10 to 20 year plan. And that's if you already have the speed and the focus. If you haven't developed speed and focus yet, then you're looking at 25 to 30 years, okay? So focus, we'll go over focus next. Focus is absolutely important, okay? Because if you're not doing the right thing, it doesn't matter how long you do it for or how fast you're moving, it's not going to make a difference. I've seen so many people be stuck on a horrible idea for 10 years, and then they're working like crazy for 10 years on this idea, and it just doesn't work out, right? And it's like you wasted 10 years. You will know if an idea is good or not because the proof of concept will be there even within the first couple of weeks. You're going to have a good proof of concept. You're going to have people that are interested. You're going to be making a little bit of money, or you're going to be getting some results if you are going, in the appropriate steps. And I'll go over that in a minute. The last thing is speed, okay? A turtle, if you have a turtle racing a tiger, let's say, the turtle is going to be very precise in its movements, whereas the tiger is just going to sprint and just get there. But let's face it, the turtle will take 10 years to get where the tiger gets in a day. Okay, so you have to understand you need speed, okay? And Gary Vaynerchuk always talks about, having like that macro patience and micro speed, he always says. So like having the patience that is huge, doing it for 10 years, but every day you're grinding, you're hustling, you're moving. That is super duper important, okay? So basically, here's what you need to do, okay? When you bring all these into practical terms, I'm a pragmatic kind of guy. I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do. You need to come up with an idea that is fantastic, that has the potential to make a lot of money, but that idea also has to have a smaller version of it within itself. I'll give you an example in a minute. So that's your focus. You have the right idea. You have the right direction. The right idea is your focus, okay? Then you have to go hard with that idea on a daily basis, 16, 18, 20 hours a day at the beginning. Working, not taking breaks, no coffee breaks. Work on your lunch, work before work, work after work, okay? Work when your kids are taking a nap. Just work whenever you get a spare moment. Work when your spouse is in bed, okay? Work. You really need to work as much as you can. That is your speed, okay? And then the patience is doing it without stopping for a year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, and so forth, okay? I'll give you an example. A lot of people want to just start this huge business. They're like, I have a great idea. I have a great idea. It's going to make $1 billion. I have an idea for this app. I'm just going to give you an example. Let's say you want to start this sneaker brand, this sneaker company, okay? And it's going to cost you $100,000 to start this sneaker company, okay? I think I've used this example in many other videos before. Here's what I would do to guarantee yourself success. If you want to start a sneaker company or any company, this is a formula to guarantee yourself success. Get on social media, start your brand before you actually make sneakers. So I'm going to call it Michael Sneaker Company, let's say. Okay, so I start this brand, for instance, make a cooler name than that, obviously. Start this brand on social media. You're gonna start posting things regarding sneakers. You're not making your own sneakers, but you're still posting content all about sneakers. You're gonna gain an audience that is, geared towards sneakers. You're gonna gain followers on social media. As you gain those followers, you're going to figure out how to make money from those pages. So whether it's advertising revenue, whether it's affiliate links, whether it's selling an ebook or a digital product or selling sneaker consulting, whatever the case is, you're going to sell something, you're going to make money. Eventually, you'll have made $100,000 and you're probably going to have 50,000 followers, 100,000 followers, 200,000 followers. You're going to have a lot of followers. You're going to have your money to start this company. It might take you 2 years or 3 years or 5 years to build that up, okay? But now when you start your sneaker company, you already have all of your customers because they're all following you on social media. And as you're starting the sneaker company, you're going to promote it on your pages. You're going to let them know, hey, I'm starting a sneaker company. Come buy my sneakers. Then you're going to sell more sneakers than you could have ever imagined. You'll make more money than you ever would have if you hadn't done it that way. If you just go and you take out a loan and you start a sneaker company or any company, there's a 99.9% chance you're going to fail miserably. Your company won't last 10 years, almost certainly. It's the way that it works. People start businesses every day. They get thrown out the window 10 years later, maximum, okay? You have to do it the smart way. Start small and get bigger. That's the idea. If you just try and go for the prize, guess what? You're in the same boat as everyone else. You're not going to differentiate yourself. Start small, proof of concept, expand. And guess what? Even when you start your sneaker company, you're probably still going to be making money from your social media pages as well. So you'll have just as much money as you want. And that's it. That is essentially the secret to getting rich and making more money. Those 3 factors, once again, it's patience, focus, and speed. You need all 3 of them. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.